started Yokai Studios with the aim to show an alternative to common production methods that are currently dominate in the fashion and garment industry.
Besides the textile processing that we had in this project, we are also working on printing on 3D surfaces at Profactor. And there the question of how we can reconstruct the 3D objects that we are going to print on is an interesting question, and we made some experiences in the present project together with Yokai, and I'm looking forward to extending that technology and making that work even better.
We just finished our first machine prototype, and sure we have to follow some improvements and other prototypes will have to be built, but we are very happy that with this prototype we are able to show our vision on a real usable product which we can use on the market in the end.
Working with the Yokai team, the Re-FREAM project has given us the possibility to work with 3D printing flexible filaments on fabric, which just opens us so many new ways. So it's actually only the beginning, and the applications are countless.
We would like to connect the steps of 3D scanning, virtual prototyping, showcasing the 3D data, connected with our machine, so that one day a fully integrated system from design to showcase to production is possible.
Another interesting aspect of this project is, besides being open-minded and wide thinking, also to keep on track and to keep on working on something that we feel that we think is going to be fruitful and that's going to be more or less efficient or lead to something that is correct in the end, so that we do not lose too much time or too much energy, because 9 months is on one side a lot of time, but for all the points that we want to work on in Re-FREAM is also quite limited, and we have unfortunately to focus on some points and we cannot work on everything that we could research on.
Most of us at Yokai have a technical background, so for us it's not hard to take on the technical mindset, and that's the reason why we don't think that this was a problem at all. It was actually quite good for us to have a combination of an artistic mindset and a technical mindset.
As an engineer, I have been working with designers before, but this time working with fashion designers is the first time in my career, and this brings new perspectives, because we're not designing only a gadget or only just an object that we take in the hand and that's it. We are designing garment, clothing, so which is a big part of the identity, visual identity of the person.
I think our development will lead to a much more flexible way of production, and this is one of the very needed facts for the fashion production of the future as well, that we only produce garments when there really is a demand, and not produce masses upfront.
When it comes to the synergies between the newest technologies and the urban manufacturing, I would say that the technologies enable the urban manufacturing at all, because without the technologies there would not be possibility to produce locally close to the user.
Technologies that are already enabling artists and designers to do urban manufacturing haven't reached their full potential yet, so that's just the beginning. We will see a lot more in the future, and I think there's a huge potential of rapid innovation going on there.
So I think it has both a social and environmental positive impact on one side, because we're relocating the jobs and the garment production more closer to the user, and also because we are producing in smaller quantities and hopefully in better quality.